The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. In this video, we're going to go over the brain, and the way this video is subdivided is we will go over each element that makes up the brain along with their associated function. It is important you memorize the highlighted terms in purple here, as they will be necessary for the MCAT exam and beyond. So starting off, we have the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain, divided into left and right hemispheres, and further divided into lobes: frontal lobe, parietal, occipital, and temporal. Its associated function includes higher brain functions such as thought, action, sensory processing, voluntary movement, decision-making, problem-solving, planning, emotion regulation, speech production, sensory perception, visual and auditory processing, and memory. Moving on, we have the Diencephalon, which is located beneath the cerebrum, and it includes the thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus, and subthalamus. And it regulates autonomic functions, relays sensory information, controls hunger, thirst, body temperature, endocrine functions, and the circadian rhythm. Then we have the brainstem, which is what connects the brain to the spinal cord, and it consists of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. And its associated function includes controlling essential life functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, breathing, sleep, arousal, and temperature regulation. Moving on, we have the cerebellum, which is located under the cerebrum and behind the brain. It includes the anterior lobe, posterior lobe, flocculonodular lobe, and vermis. And its functions include coordinating voluntary movements, balance, posture, and motor learning. Next, we have the limbic system, and it includes the amygdala, hippocampus, cingulate gyrus, and fornix. And it's involved in emotion, motivation, and memory. Next, we have the basal ganglia, which includes the caudate nucleus, putamen, globus pallidus, subthalamic nucleus, and the substantia nigra. And it's involved in motor control and coordination. And lastly, we have the ventricular system, a network of interconnected cavities filled with cerebrospinal fluid, and its function is to cushion the brain and remove waste.